This video is about something super interesting that nobody ever done, even myself. We fermented the dough for 100 days. You hear that properly, 100 days. Guys, tell me in comment please if you want to see the 100 days of
100 days.
fermented pizza dough, because
Let's see how many comments. 300 comments. Rather than 100 days, I rather know maximum number of days of the dough still good enough. Yeah, well, I think the good enough is 7 days. 100 days will be a waste. Do a shorter times comparison. Well, we did it before, but so I had to do it the 100 days. Wow, guys, we got so many comments here. Okay, that's enough comment. You guys pick this video and we are about to find out how 100 days old pizza dough looks like. Let's watch until the end. Okay, so you
Vito,
can able to order
Vito,
on the authentic.com.
we are recording the video.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry guys. Hello from Iacopelli. Give me one second. I'm closing. Authentic.com. Okay. Bye. So sorry guys, welcome back from Iacopelli, and like I was saying, we are live with my own brand, Authentic.co. Just launched the mixer, an amazing mixer, and then coming soon a lot of stuff, a pizza oven. Check out the website and then sign up because we are sending you a discount. Let me put the jacket on. I put the dough inside this amazing leavened room temperature. Hopla, let me get it right here. This one I put 30 days because we made a video about 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days. And then also, this one was for 30 days, so we let it ferment for another 70 days. You believe this? Come here, come here. Come here, you're from Los Angeles, come here. Come here, we have Justin in the house. He's not prepared. You didn't see it before. You ready?
Yeah.
Smell it with me.
Oh, God.
Don't be shy. I know you're in vacation here from Los Angeles, actually Long Beach. Here's the microphone for you, and you're gonna be my guest today. You told me before, I told you what we're gonna shoot today, and you say you're crazy. Nobody ever done something like this before. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is the good one. After 24 hours. This way you can see the difference. Boom! Voila, guys. Take a look of this dough. How it looks. Just to give you an idea, guys. Take a look. Look, come here. Smell this, that dough.
It's not great.
Like this. Come here. You got. Smell that what? Acid.
A little bit, yeah. It
Wait to
doesn't
see.
smell good.
Wait to see when we open it. Let's see. Let's
It looks
open
like
it.
a liquid.
Look what's inside here. Look. Yuck. What's this? Smell it. Man, do the same thing. Look like I gotta throw up, man. For sure, I'm not gonna taste it.
No?
We're gonna see if we are able to make the pizza first. Second, I want to show you some details here. This way we can, I can let you understand. Wait to see the inside. Look at this. We're about to show you the differences. So guys, I'm gonna get the 100 days and show you. Actually, first, let me get you the 24 hours. This way you can see the difference. You know, otherwise you're not gonna understand. Voila, boom. This is 24 hours. Let's get the 100 days. I was scared that this dough was dumped in the trash because my guys here, they're always asking me every day, oh, what are we gonna do with this dough? What are we gonna do with this dough? Save it, save it! I need to show the world what we're talking about. You see that the dough, it's full of air, like full of bubbles that they want to come out. So this one it's super overproof. They went out, all the air went out, and then you see it starts to get all the black dust. That's the moth. Then the liquid is the acidity that is coming out from outside the dough. Let's go ahead now. Let's see. Yeah, it breaks. So I will see if I'm able to. Smell now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's not good.
Terrible. Look this, Justin. This is the gluten. Okay? Look how we can stretch this pizza.
That's how you know when the gluten structure is built and this is good to eat properly, okay? And then starts to break. So that means it's getting weak. And then after, we can go ahead and reball it and reuse it one more time. But now, let's see the 100 days. I'm very curious. If I leave it in my hands, look what happened. Just with the gravity of the dough, for sure I'm gonna fix my hands, clean it really well. Anyway, let's try to see the gluten structure of the 100 days old dough. You can tell that I'm not gonna, oh my God, smells so bad, terrible. We're gonna try to make it, again, the ball. Look at the dough, it's great compared to the other. That's the muff. But probably I'm gonna try my best to make this pizza for you guys. Okay, guys, let's make this, let's go directly with 100 days. And then after this, I'm gonna go ahead and make one real pizza. Let's try to make the 100 days. So I'm gonna do my best, because as soon as I get it from here, it breaks. It looks like the gluten-free. I mean, to see the comparison between the 30 days, 1 day, go ahead and check out the other videos. This way you have a better idea. So what I'm gonna do here is cover with the flour. That's the only way to try to make this pizza, because if see, as soon as I get it, it breaks. So I'm gonna try to keep it. Let's try. Stretch, pom 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 pom. That's it. I'm gonna keep it like that, because if I keep stretching it, adios amigos. Let's go ahead with the tomato and the cheese. Let me wash my hands, otherwise I'm gonna throw away everything here. You testing my dough?
Yeah.
My gosh. If you're going to put even 1 gram of this dough in the new dough, it's gonna kill the old dough. Did you know that? So now we're gonna go ahead and put tomato sauce. Then fast, we're gonna go ahead and make the classic margherita, but I'm not gonna waste so much cheese, okay? Okay, open up the oven. Look at how easy it is to break. So it breaks really quick. So I'm gonna try to go ahead with the peel. Yeah, can you open the door? Oh shoot. Yes, my God. It's already broke. Let's see about that. I really want to make this pizza too. No. Look, guys. As soon as I get it, my gosh. No. So, see, because it doesn't have any gluten, whatever, we destroy a pizza. But I really want to make it. So, stay here with the peel. The only way to make it happen is I'm gonna make it really fast. So let's go ahead, let's grab the dough. So from this moment, I'm gonna go fast. Little bit of cheese. It's already attaching to the, my God, it's already breaking. Let's go in the oven. 1, 2, boom! Oh. We got a little bit wet on the peel, so probably it's break. So I'm gonna do my best to not mess up the oven and try to make this pizza, just for you guys. So like you can see here, it's taking a long time, because also the gluten is not properly built, so it takes much more time, so it stays white. Okay, let's go ahead, let's check out the batter, because the mozzarella is already bubbling. We have a couple of holes. So I'm gonna go ahead. So from this moment, I cannot move it anymore. The mozzarella is bubbling and the pizza is ready. It's been in the oven for about more than 2 minutes. Usually cooks. Look what a fantastic pizza. We have a hole there because the gluten structure. Come close to this camera. Look what a beautiful pizza. Oh my God, looks like the feet of the dirty foot. Loris, come here. Look what a beautiful pizza I made for you. Thank you. Smell. You want it? No, thank you. I mean, guys, this experiment, it was an experiment, okay? Don't think that we serve 100 days old dough. Let's go ahead and let's check out the inside of the dough. We have to watch. Look, it don't even cook. Do you see that? It's even raw dough. Look what a beautiful slice. Did you see the crust? We got raw dough. Well, guys, 100 days old dough. We're even gonna wash the floor now. See, even the garbage doesn't want the food. So guys, I'm gonna clean up everything. I wanna show you a real pizza, how it looks like. Okay, Justin, I'm gonna make you a pizza, really special pizza, with good dough. Put it in the flour, boom, boom, boom. Now we go ahead and we stretch, boom. Now, take off the flour. We don't need that much. This is the pizza, boom, voila. Here we go, let's go ahead. Let's put the base with a little bit of bechamel. Then we go with a little bit of ragu. Cook it for 8 hours, so it's a super tender beef. Then we go ahead with some broccoli, roasted broccoli on the bottom. Then fresh mozzarella everywhere. And then to finish, we're gonna put some spicy salami. And now we can go ahead and cook the pizza. Now you see, look how fast it's gonna be to cook. So we're gonna cook it for about, I wanna say 90 seconds or so. The pizza, it's ready. We're gonna finish this pizza with a little bit of olive oil on the crust. Let's get the texture of the soft and crunchy right here. You ready? Shh. You heard that? That's what I'm talking about. And that's why I say soft and crunchy. We're gonna finish this pizza with bell pepper sauce. I present you, Justin, the amazing 24 hours pizza dough.
Perfecto.
Check out the inside before we eat. We're gonna get the perfect slice for you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this. Look at this. Soft and crunchy. Crunchy from outside and soft from the inside. How it holds perfectly, no flop.
Yeah.
For a Neapolitan pizza, it's perfect cooked on the bottom. Get this in your mouth. Wait for me. I mean, take a look. Perfect slice. We got a little bit of everything here from Long Beach, from LB. Wow.
Perfect.
Oh. You guys gonna taste this. La dovete assaggiare questo. Let's taste the crust. Thoughts on this?
Perfect.
Perfection. Guys, after this, thank you so much for watching. What can I say? Subscribe every week, new video from Maestro Iacopelli. Everything, no secret, everything live, like this video. Thank you so much, guys. Subscribe. You subscribe?
Of course.
Show me. Show me live. Don't stop the video.
I don't have a YouTube.
Ah, come on, man.
I don't have the YouTube app on my phone.
Go on. Oh.
Here.
Oh, it doesn't have a YouTube app. It's okay.
Forget about it.
Hold on, let me see.
I can download it again and show you.
No.
There, one sec. See, I don't have it.
It's for real, it doesn't have it.
See, I don't have it.
Let's see. Download the app. I'm gonna eat this pizza in the meantime. He's downloading the app. Oh, that's a pizza. Come on.
My pizza.
That's a good pizza. Sign out. Give me that pizza. No,
Let's see.
no, please, no. I'll give it like. Show the camera. Right there.
Wait.
No,
This
just
is the
write down
wrong-
Vito Iacopelli.
No, this is the wrong account.
That's not true. Com'è? It's okay. You're not subscribed, that's okay.
No, look. Okay, yeah, see. How do I get to your, visit channel? Of course.
Oh, you're a subscriber. Okay, you are safe, my friend. Now you can get this pizza. I'm gonna make another one.
Grazie.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one.